Next year we gotta get matching.
Today I'm going to make a salsa. Easy salsa. First, take about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic, grind them up, put a little salt, and some cumin, a tablespoon of cumin in the bottom. Just ground it up in the coffee grinder. Just gives it extra little flavor. So you start off with this here. Just give it a quick little go. You can put your peppers in. These are just some peppers I dried in my yard. From my yard. Chilies. Some cayenne chilies. Jalapenos. I just break them, put them in there, the seeds and all. Gives a nice hot flavor. Put that in there, give it a little grind. Just to get everything started up. And you start your onion. This is a quick, easy salsa you could use anywhere. And the only reason I'm using canned tomatoes today is all the tomatoes at the store look like crap, so I didn't get any of those. So you put these in. I like it oniony, so you could add more or less. Then some cilantro from the yard, wherever you got it. I bought this one at the store today, at the Mexican store. You usually have 3 for $1. Come out nice, gives it good flavor. Put that in there. A little lime if you want. I bought the no salt tomatoes so I can add my own in later on, usually when I'm mixing it up. So put a little lime. Put some salt in there. Probably about, you're going to need at least 2 tablespoons of salt because I bought the tomatoes with no salt in it. So you can give this a little bit of a grind up, get started. And what I do is, I got the tapper on here. Just give it a quick little start so I can fit 2 cans in here. If I don't fit 2 cans, I won't use it all. I use half, 1 1/2, whatever it makes. But I make this sauce all the time, and my kids love it. Everybody loves it. It's good. Put the can in. Just put it on low and get it started. Make a nice thick salsa, crunchy. Now, it's not quite mixed up yet. I'm going to add a little bit more. If your store has fresh tomatoes and they look good, you could use those. Either way, it doesn't matter. Just make sure you got enough salt in there, especially with these tomatoes. And no salt in these here. Di Fratelli, no salt added, but they work really well. So, let me show you what it looks like.
Don't forget, she doesn't
It's a nice salsa. I'm going to pour some out in a minute. First I want to give it a taste. See if it's missing anything. Delicious. A little more salt. Probably could use another half a pepper. It's hot, but I like it hot. I can taste the garlic in the bottom that I put in earlier. And I also put in, I don't know if I mentioned, a tablespoon of ground up cumin, which gives it a real authentic flavor. So, I'm going to pour it out in the bowl here. We'll take a look. Oh boy, that looks good. Alright, let's really nice. Look at the salsa. Does that look delicious or what? I'm gonna get a chip and try it. I'll be out of the picture for a second. Mm-hmm. Delicious.